Welcome to Chibi's Financial Insights. Artificial intelligence is one of the fastest growing fields in technology today, with a wide range of applications across many different industries. As such, there are many opportunities for individuals and businesses to make money with AI. Here are some ways you can capitalize on the growing demand for AI. The most demanding option is obviously to develop AI products yourself. One of the most straightforward ways to make money with AI is to develop products that incorporate AI technology. This could include software, hardware, or even entire platforms that leverage AI to solve specific problems or provide new capabilities. With the right product, you could sell licenses, subscriptions, or even your product outright to businesses or consumers. Provide AI services. Another way to make money with AI is to offer services that leverage AI technology. This could include consulting, training, or even outsourcing services that help businesses incorporate AI into their operations. With the growing demand for AI expertise, there are many opportunities for individuals and companies to provide value-added services that help others leverage this technology. Create AI-enabled applications. As AI technology becomes more accessible, there are opportunities to create AI-enabled applications that can be sold directly to consumers. For example, a fitness app could use AI to personalize workouts based on user data, while a travel app could use AI to suggest destinations and activities based on a user's preferences. With the right approach, these applications can generate revenue through subscriptions, in-app purchases, or even advertising. Develop AI-driven content. With the growing demand for AI-driven content, there are opportunities for content creators to leverage AI to generate new and innovative content. This could include using AI to generate written content, images, videos, or even music. By leveraging AI, content creators can generate a larger volume of content more quickly, which can be monetized through advertising, sponsorships, or even paid subscriptions. Build AI-driven marketplaces. As AI technology continues to mature, there is growing demand for marketplaces that leverage AI to help buyers and sellers connect more efficiently. For example, an AI-driven marketplace for freelance services could use AI to match freelancers with clients based on their skills and preferences, while an AI-driven e-commerce platform could use AI to suggest products based on a user's past behavior. By leveraging AI, these marketplaces can provide a more personalized and efficient experience for users, which can lead to increased revenue. Invest in AI startups. For individuals or businesses looking to invest in AI, there are many promising startups that are focused on developing AI technology or using AI to solve specific problems. By investing in these startups, you can potentially reap the rewards of their success as they grow and mature. Of course, investing in startups also carries risks, so it's important to do your due diligence before committing to any particular investment. Offer AI-enabled consultancy. With the growing demand for AI expertise, there are opportunities for individuals and companies to provide consultancy services that help others leverage AI in their businesses. This could include everything from advising on the best AI tools to use for a particular problem, to providing custom AI solutions that meet a client's specific needs. By offering high-quality consultancy services, you can build a reputation as an expert in the field, which can lead to increased business and revenue. Implement AI-driven business solutions. There is growing demand for AI-driven business solutions that help companies automate routine tasks, improve customer service, and optimize their operations. By developing or implementing these solutions, you can help businesses become more efficient and effective, which can lead to increased revenue and profitability. Monetize AI-generated data. AI generates vast amounts of data, which can be used for a wide range of purposes, including advertising, research, and product development. By monetizing this data, you can create new revenue streams that are tied to the use of AI. This could include selling access to datasets, licensing data to third-party companies, or even developing your own AI-driven products and services based on the insights generated by your data. Use AI for financial trading. Finally, one way to make money with AI is to use it for financial trading. Many financial institutions are already using AI algorithms to analyze market data and make investment decisions in real time. By developing your own AI-driven trading strategies, you can potentially earn significant profits from the financial markets. Of course, financial trading carries risks, so it's important to have a solid understanding of the markets and AI technology before pursuing this avenue. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money with AI, from developing products and services to investing in startups and using AI for financial trading. The key is to identify the areas where AI can provide the most value, and to develop a clear strategy for how to capitalize on this technology. With the right approach, AI can be a powerful tool for generating revenue and driving business success in today's fast-paced digital economy. Thank you for watching. Would you like to know more? Please like and subscribe for more content like this. Use the subscribe bell ring icon to receive our newsfeed. Bye for now. See you again soon.